Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, Ustaz.
How are you today?
I'm well and you?
Okay, thank you for asking me. I'm good. Okay, first and foremost, we have to say thanks to Allah because today we are still here. Alhamdulillah, because some of people outside there, they want to study, but they have a problem. Maybe they are sick, so they cannot come over to school. Yeah. Secondly, our salutation to our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, who has brought us from darkness into the light. Today, we would like to continue our lesson. Ya, kita akan melanjutkan pelajaran kita. But as usual, seperti biasa, before going further, we pray before studying. So I invite, the chief of the class, Sayan, to come over to lead the prayer. Please.
Istaidu. Istaidu. Sikap berdoa. Baca doa sebelum belajar. Rabbi zidani ilman warzuqni fahman ya Allah, tambah some knowledge and good understanding. Amin. Allahumma la ilaha ja'altahu sahlan wa anta taj'alu naidati kasahlan bisra li sadari wa yassir li amri uqadatan min lisani yafqahu qawli. Allahumma inni as'aluka ilman nafi'an wa rizqan thayyiban wa amalan mutaqabbalan. Amin ya rabbal alamin.
Okay, thank you very much. Alhamdulillah, today, even though it's raining outside there, but we still ongoing, ya. Kita masih akan melanjutkan pelajaran kita. If you still remember the last meeting we studied about present perfect. Okay, now to flashback what we studied previously, I want you to see, look at this. Look at the picture, Look at the picture. If you see here, what is he doing? Sleep. Now he is sleeping. And go here, now already wake up. Wake up. My questions, what has he done? Apa yang sudah dilakukan? Previously, he was sleeping, now he is waking up. What has he done? Apa yang sudah dikerjakan? He has slept. Dia sudah tidur. And now Today we would like to, because previously we studied about present perfect in positive ways, ya. Bagaimana membuat kalimat present perfect dalam kalimat positif. Dalam kalimat positif. Finish activities. Jadi present perfect digunakan untuk membicarakan tentang finish activities. Aktivitas yang sudah selesai. These are some example. Yeah, we would like to review a bit. I have ridden a camel. We have seen an elevator. You have been to Surabaya. They have flown a kite. He has eaten coto. She has gone to Bali. It has done. Now, what have you done today? Me, I have eaten breakfast this morning. How about Bilal? What have you done today? Oh, you have gone to school. So you are at school now. Okay. So today, hari ini kita akan fokus pada pembelajaran bagaimana membuat question. How to make a questions in present perfect. Bagaimana membuat pertanyaan dalam present perfect. Now, can you see? You can see on your student book page 54. Can you see on your student book? Please open your student book page 54. Here you can see some question. How to make a question in present perfect. Please everyone. Okay, please everyone open your student book on page 54. Okay, hurry up. Okay, have you seen? Now, have you seen ya? How to make a question? Bagaimana membuat pertanyaan? Ya, bagaimana membuat pertanyaan? Look at this, and also on your book. How to make question when you use have? Okay, repeat after me. Have I? Okay, if you see, have I. Jadi kalau dia pesannya menjadi have I, have you, have we, have they. Ya. Jadi kalau dia subjeknya have, maka subjeknya, kalau have maka subjeknya you, we, they. Kalau has subjeknya adalah he, she atau it. Di situ contohnya have I, ya, have I ever been hiking, ya? Have I ever been hiking? Repeat after me. Have you ever been hiking? Have we ever been hiking? Have they ever been hiking? Ya, itu kalau dia subjeknya I, we, you, they. Bagaimana kalau has? Kita menggunakan untuk subjek he, she, it. Has she? Has he? Has it? Has he ever been hiking? Has she ever been hiking? Has it ever been hiking? Okay, how about to answer? Bagaimana kalau menjawabnya? There is a short answer. Ada cara menjawabnya dengan short, dengan pendek ya. Di situ kalau kita lihat bukunya di situ short answer yes I have. Kalau jawabannya adalah yes. Oke, repeat after me. Yes I have.
Yes, I have.
Yes you have.
Yes, you have.
Yes we have.
Yes, we have.
Yes they have.
Yes, they have.
Kalau dia jawabannya tidak, bagaimana? No ya. Oke. No, I haven't.
No, I haven't.
No, you haven't.
No, you haven't.
No, we haven't.
No, we haven't.
No, they haven't.
No, they haven't.
Nah, kalau dia adalah he, yes, he has.
Yes, he has.
Yes, she has.
Yes, she has.
Yes, it has.
Yes, it has.
How about if the answer is no? No,
No,
no, he hasn't. No, she hasn't. No, it hasn't. So that is how to make a short answer. How to make short an answer. And long answer, bagaimana caranya kalau dia jawabannya adalah panjang, ya? Contoh di situ, yes, I have, ya, I have been hiking. Yes, you have been hiking. Can you repeat after me? Yes, I have been hiking.
yes, I have been hiking.
Yes, you have been hiking.
Yes, you have been hiking.
Yes, they have been hiking.
Yes, they have been hiking.
Yes, he has been hiking.
Yes, he has been hiking.
Yes, she has been hiking.
Yes, he has been hiking.
Yes, it has been hiking. Okay, that is how to answer, ya. Itu cara menjawabnya dengan jawaban yang panjang. Now, let's move on, ya. Kita lanjut. Di read with a partner. Can you see? Bisa lihat di bukunya read with a partner, ya. I have flown a kite, ya. And please, I want you with your partner and Zahabi with Nanda. Okay? And Irfan and what's your name again? Okay, Rafi. Imran with okay. You can with your partner. Okay? Your partner, your partner, your partner, your partner, and your partner. Please, I want you to practice with this, yeah? But beforehand, I want you to repeat after me. Have you ever flown a kite?
Have you ever flown a kite?
Yes, I have.
Yes, I have.
Yes, I have flown a kite.
Yes, I have flown a kite.
Has he ever written postcard?
Has he never written a postcard?
No, he hasn't.
No, he hasn't.
He has never written a postcard.
He has never written a postcard.
So this is. Please, I want you to practice. Start from now. 1, 2, 3, go. Yes, with the partner practice. Yes, practice. Yes.
Yes, okay.
Finish? Now we move to the next. Kita pindah di student book page 54. Di halaman 54 itu ada soal, ya. Ada soal. Kalau dia tandanya centang, berarti jawabannya adalah yes. Kalau dia adalah cross atau silang, berarti jawabannya no. Ya, seperti contoh ada short answer-nya, ada jawaban pendeknya, ada juga long answer-nya, jawaban yang panjang. Contoh, di situ nomor 1, has she ever gone camping in the jungle? Short answer jawaban pendeknya itu adalah yes, she has. Yang panjangnya yes, she has gone camping in the jungle. Please answer number 2 until number 5. Silakan dikerjakan dulu nomor 2. Yes, father, he. Yes, ingat ya, kalau dia laki-laki berarti he. Kalau dia perempuan she, ya. Ya, silakan dikerjakan. Waktunya 5 menit dari sekarang. 5 sampai 7 menit maksimal ya. Silakan dikerjakan. Yeah, you can see the example in number 1. And also the picture to help you. Example this. So no, no, yes, yes, yeah. This is the answer. Yes, no, yes, no, yes. Yeah, this is the answer no. Because checklist. No, no. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. No, no. Yes, yes. Finish? Yes, please answer. Of course. Man, boy. Try to differentiate between male name and female name. Ya, dibedakan. Kentara itu nama perempuan, nama laki-laki. Ya. It's clear. Female name and male name. You still have time. Yeah, we will finish in 5 minutes. When you finish, just stay there. Ya, you still have 3 minutes left. Ya, 3 menit lagi. 2 minutes left. Two minutes. You still have 2 minutes. I want you to do it politely and also honestly, ya. Jawab dengan sopan dan jujur, ya. No cheating with your friends. One minute left. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, time's up. Okay, now please check your answer here. This is the answer. Ya, this is the answer. Ini jawabannya, ya. This is the answer. Yes, she has. I would like to show you a little bigger. This is the answer. Ya, you may check your answer. Silakan dicek jawabannya. Number 2, has your father ever ridden a camel? No, he hasn't. The second answer, no, he has never ridden a camel. Number 3, have your sisters ever gone to an aquarium? The answer, yes, they have. For short answer, long answer, yes, they have gone to an aquarium. Number 4, has Jason ever taken an elevator? Short answer, no, he hasn't. Long answer, no, he has atau he's never taken an elevator. Number 5, has Abby ever flown to New Zealand? The answer, yes, she has, or yes, she has flown to New Zealand. You may check your answer. If you find out some wrong, kalau ada beberapa yang salah, silahkan dikoreksi, diperbaiki. Hello. Okay. Now please again with your partner. Ya, kembali dengan pasangannya masing-masing. Tadi ya, dengan pasangannya masing-masing. Let's practice ya. Let's practice with a partner. Kita praktek dengan pasangan tak lagi. Number 1 until number 5. Oke. Silakan. You can use this ya. Bisa digunakan ini sebagai guide juga, sebagai petunjuk to practice with your friend, untuk latihan dengan teman-temannya. Okay, you can start from now. 10 minutes, 5 until 7 minutes. Now, 1, 2, 3, go. Silakan praktek. Ya, silakan. Yang bertanya dulu, nomor 1 sampai nomor 5, kemudian tukaran ya. Ya, exchange position. Ya, silakan praktek dengan pasangannya. Yes. Yes, you can practice. You can use that. Bisa digunakan di papan tulis juga. Ya. Nah, you can see there. This. Yeah, you can see on the wall. You can use to practice that on the wall. Has she ever gone camping in the jungle? Yes, she has. Yes, she has gone camping in the jungle. Yeah, you can use this. Okay, when you finish, exchange. Kalau sudah, silakan bertukaran. Ya, you just practice ya, latihan aja. Yes, please. You just that. Has she ever gone camping in the jungle? You answer. Yes, she has. Yes, she has gone camping in the jungle. Answer number yes. Yes, please. Silakan. Yes, you can use that. Yes, practice. Exchange. Okay. Okay, I need to representative, Rafli and Sayan come over here to practice that. Come here. The rest yang lain tunggu giliran ya. Rafli and Sayan. You don't need to bring this. Just look at it. Yes, you ask, you answer. Yes.
Pasang ini answer. Pasang sini. Hah? Oh gini. Siapa duluan? Siapa duluan? Has she ever gone camping in the jungle? Yes, she has. Yes, she has gone camping in the jungle. Has your father ever ridden a camel? No, he hasn't. No, he never ridden. He's never ridden a camel. Have your sister ever gone to an aquarium? Yes, they have. Yes, they have gone to an aquarium. Has Jason ever taken an elevator? No, he hasn't. No, he's never taken an elevator. Has Abai ever flown to New Zealand? Yes, she has. Yes, she has flown to New Zealand. Lagi.
Okay, exchange.
Has she ever gone camping in the jungle? Yes, she has. Yes, she has gone camping in the jungle. Has your father ever ridden a camel? No, he hasn't. No, he hasn't never ridden a camel. Have you sister ever gone to an aquarium? Yes. Yes, they have. Yes, they have gone to an aquarium. Has Jason ever taken an elevator? No, he hasn't. No, he hasn't never taken an elevator. Has Abby ever flown to New Zealand? Yes, she has. Yes, she has flown to New Zealand.
All right, thank you very much for Sayan and Rafli. Please, Bilal and Ayas, come over here in front of the class. You don't need to bring the book. Yes. Just go.
Hello.
Yeah. Ask, answer. Ask, answer.
Has she ever gone camping in the jungle? Yes, she has. Yes, she has gone. She has gone camping in the jungle. Has your father ever ridden a camel? No, he hasn't. No, he never ridden a camel. Have your sister ever gone to an aquarium? Yes, they have. Yes, they have gone to an aquarium. Has Jason ever taken an elevator? No, he hasn't. No, he's never taken an elevator. Has Abby ever flown to New Zealand? Yes, she has. Yes, she has flown to New Zealand.
All right, thank you. For Bilal and Ayas. Abi and Ikra, come here. Yes, get ready for Irfan and Arafi. You ask the answer. Ask. Number you ask. Yes, please. Yes, of course.
Has she ever gone camping in the jungle? Yes, she has. Yes, she has gone camping in the jungle. Has your
Has your
has
father
your father ever ever ridden,
a camel?
ever ridden a camel? No, he has.
He hasn't.
He hasn't. No,
He has never.
he has.
Don't touch.
No, he has. He's never ridden a camel. Have Ever you sister ever gone to an aquarium? Yes, they have. Yes, they have gone to an aquarium. Has Jason ever taken an elevator? No, he hasn't. No, he's never taken an elevator. He's able. Able.
All right, thank you. Yeah, you can bring the book because something wrong with that. Bring the book. Take your book. While I'm
Has she ever gone camping in the jungle?
Yes, she has. Yes, she has gone camping in the jungle.
Has your father ever ridden a camel?
No, he has. No, he has never ridden a camel.
Have your sister ever gone to an aquarium?
Yes, they have. Yes, they have gone to an aquarium.
Has Jason ever taken an elevator?
No, he has. No, he has never taken an elevator.
Has Abby ever flown to New Zealand?
Yes, she has. Yes, she has flown to New Zealand.
all right. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Now we move on to the next. Doesn't need to be everyone, yeah, because we are limited by time. So we just continue to the next. Please open your workbook page 39. Yeah, can you see your workbook page 39? Oke. There, ya di sana kita bisa lihat unscramble the question. Silahkan disusun itu pertanyaan, kata-kata menjadi sebuah pertanyaan yang benar. Ya. Workbook page 39. Halaman 39. Silahkan dibuka workbooknya. Your workbook. Example, contoh dari situ, gone on a boat, have ever they fishing. Ya, disusun menjadi kalimat yang benar. Have they ever gone fishing on a boat? Ya, begitu juga nomor 2 sampai nomor 5. Number 2 to number 5. Nomor 2 sampai nomor 5 silahkan disusun. Oke, 5 minutes to 7 minutes now. Silahkan dikerjakan. Yes, in your book. No, only this. This is the answer. Yes. Ya, silahkan dikerjakan, disusun menjadi pertanyaan yang benar. Seperti contoh nomor 1. Yes. Gone on a boat, have ever they fishing. Menjadi, have they ever gone fishing on a boat? Ya, itu yang ini. Ya, just answer. We will check together later, ya. Yes, Irfan? Password. Please, mahkamatun. Yes, please. Worn. Wear, worn, worn. Memakai. Everyone finish? We still have some minutes ya. Masih ada beberapa menit. Ya, we will check it together. Nanti kita cek sama-sama. When the time is up. Ketika waktunya sudah habis ya. Password. Mahkamah. Mahkamatun. Artinya pengadilan, judge, ya. Okay, still have 2 minutes. Password. Please, hurry up. Okay, 1 minute left. Okay, time's up. Ya, waktunya habis. Let's check it together. Ya, kita lihat jawabannya. Okay. What is the answer number 1? Yang sudah jawab. Apa jawabannya nomor 1? Ya, have they ever gone fishing in a boat? Number 2? Yeah, have you ever written an email? Number 3. Has he ever wore a costume for a school play? Number 4. Very good. Have you ever taken the subway? Number 5. Has she ever eaten food court? Yes. You can check. Ya, silakan dicek berapa banyak benar, berapa banyak kesalahannya. Silakan yang salah you can correct it ya. Wow, excellent ya. Wow, benar semua ya, excellent. No, thumbs up. Very good, excellent. Now exchange, let's practice with new partner. Kita latihan dengan pasangan baru. Berarti kita ubah ya, kita ganti. Zahabi with Irfan, Arafi with Nanda, Imran with Atar, Noval with Afdal, Bilal with Miss Atala. Yes, with Sayan. Okay, you can change the position. You can move here. You move here, you move there. Okay, now, yes, 5 minutes from now. Go. Silakan praktek. Ya, silakan diperhatikan yang password. Yes. This answer. So question number 1, have they ever gone fishing on a boat? Yes, they have. Ya.
Yes, she has.
Okay, exchange. Done. Okay, keep going. Imran, Atar, finish, done. With Atar, practice. Practice ya. Done. You may check. That's the answer. Okay, I invite to practice in front of the class. Zakwan and Saki, please come forward. Ke depan.
Have they ever gone fishing on a boat? Yes, they have. Have you ever written an email? Yes, I have. Has he ever worn a costume for a school play? No, he hasn't. Have you ever taken the subway? No, we haven't. Has she ever haven't eaten at a food court? Yes, she has.
Exchange, finish. Okay, please. Ayas and Ikro, come here. My personal question, ya, my personal question for Akhtar. Have you ever been to cinema? Very good, I have. Irfan, have you ever been to a zoo? Yes? I have ever been. I have, okay, been to zoo. Rafli, have you ever been to Jakarta? I have. Bilal, have you ever been to Losari Beach?
Yes, I have.
I have. Naufal, have you ever been to Malino? Very good. And Zaki, have you ever been to airport? Sultan Hasanuddin Airport? Yes, I have. Yes, I have. Thank you. So, what have we learned today? Apa yang sudah kita pelajari hari ini? Do you still remember? Masih ingat apa yang sudah kita pelajari hari ini? Tentang apa? Tentang penggunaan penggunaan kalimat pertanyaan yang sudah selesai dikerjakan, ya, dalam question, dalam bentuk pertanyaan. So, let's do some reflection for this. This we have studied. Ini yang sudah kita pelajari present perfect in making question. Present perfect dalam membuat pertanyaan. Oke, tadi sudah dijelaskan tadi. Have I ever been hiking? Have you ever been hiking? Have we ever been hiking? Have they ever been hiking? Has he ever been hiking? Has she ever been hiking? Has it ever been hiking? Short answer, yes, I have. Yes, you have. Yes, we have. Yes, they have. And no, they haven't. No, you haven't. No, we haven't. Kalau he should, yes, he has. Yes, she has. Yes, it has. Ya. For short answer. For long answer, we just add more complement. Ya, kita cuma menambahkan beberapa tambahan atau pelengkap. Simple, yes, I have been hiking. Yes, you have been hiking. Yes, they have been hiking. Yes, they have been hiking. Yes, he has been hiking. Yes, she has been hiking. Yes, it has been hiking. That we have studied for today. We still have some times. Now, I want you to find out, ya. I want you to find out, ya, untuk menemukan. Find someone who, ya, menemukan seseorang yang sudah, ya. Number one, find someone who has blah blah blah. Number one, find someone who has been to Bali. You can ask. You can ask like this: have you ever been to Bali? Yeah, you can find out someone. Number two, find someone who has eaten meatball. Who has eaten meatballs? Yeah. Number three, find someone who has visited. Losari Beach. Yeah. Number four, find someone who has eaten, no eaten, yeah, who has been to Jakarta. Number five, find someone who has dream about an actor or actress. Yeah, actor mean famous actor or famous actress. Okay, so your job, find someone who has done it. Write the name. Ya, tulis namanya siapa. Write name here. Question. Write the name of the person. Nah, write the name. Who? Tulis siapa mereka. Ya. Nah, tulis siapa mereka namanya. You can ask this dengan bertanya password. May I go to password? Okay, please. Yeah. Oke, jadi cara menjawab, have you ever been to Bali? Jadi cari jawabannya adalah yes. Ya, yes, I have. Ya, silakan ditulis. Yes, this question. Have you ever been to Bali? Have you ever eaten meatballs? Have you ever visited Losari? Have you ever been to Jakarta? Have you ever dreamed about actor or actress? Yes, you write the question first and you can stand up. But before you can ask your friends, ya. Yes, you can do it now. Silakan dikerjakan sekarang. Yes. No, you. You ask your friend, not you. Your friend. Ya, bukan kalian ya, tapi teman kalian. Don't write your own name. Jangan ditulis namanya pribadi, tapi temannya, but your friend. Ya. How to ask? Have you ever? Put this. Yes, you can ask. You can ask another. All of your friends. Bisa tanya sama temannya ya. Ya. Yes. Yes, you can stand up. Silakan berdiri ya, you can stand up. Because to find someone, untuk menemukan seorang, you need to stand up and find out, dan temukan temannya yang sudah melakukan aktivitas di atas. Ever been to Bali, eaten meatballs, visited Losari Beach, been to Jakarta, dream about actor and actress.
Dream about actor and actress.
Bermimpi tentang seorang aktor atau artis. Mungkin ketemunya with
Nama? Tidak. Juga.
only yes, only jawab hanya yang. Ya, only yes. No, just need. Nggak usah tulis nama. Yes, only nickname ya. Ya, you can stand up. Silakan berdiri. It's allowed to stand up because have you ever been to Bali? Yes. Yeah, you can stand up. You can stand up. Fine. Yes, just ask all of your friends. Tanya semua temannya sampai dapat. If you don't find out, kalau nggak ditemukan, no problem ya. Have you ever? Ya, have you ever been to Bali? Have you ever eaten? No, when you finish, you can go back to your chair. When you finish, you can come back to your chair. Ya, kalau sudah silakan kembali, silakan kembali tempat duduknya ya. Go back to your previous position. Ya, kembali ke posisi semula kalau sudah dikerjakan. You still have 2 minutes. Ya, masih ada 2 menit until 3 minutes to finish. Andra, please. Have you ever? Yes, I have. Only the answer yes ya. If no, don't write. Yes, I have. Yes, go back to your seat when you finish. Kembali tempat duduk. Wah, 2 minutes left. 2 menit lagi. Password. Okay, please. When you finish, please go back to your chair. Kalau sudah, kembali ke tempat duduknya, ya. Please sit down. When you finish. Finish? Yes, when you finish, go back to your chair. Yeah. Okay, time's up. Waktunya habis. Silakan kembali tempat duduknya. Times to report. Waktunya untuk melaporkan ya. Siapa-siapa yang sudah melaporkan, siapa-siapa temannya yang sudah ke Bali makan meatball, visit Losari Beach, been to Jakarta. Yes. Okay, who will be the first? Siapa yang ingin melaporkan pertama? Okay, Irfan, you just there, please. Sit down. Read.
My friend been to Bali is a Bilal.
Yes.
My friend been to Bali is a Bilal.
Okay.
My friend eaten meatballs is Zayad.
Okay.
My friend visited Wasar Beach is Afdal. My friend been to Jakarta is a Zahabi and my friend read about actress or actor Arafi.
Thank you. Any other? Can you please go back to your chair? Okay, when you finish. Okay, time's up. You can go back to your place. Sayang. Please. Sit down. Yes. Report.
My friends been to Bali is Arafi.
Yes. Okay. All right. Thank you. Okay, roughly. Report. Yang lain silakan tempat duduknya kalau sudah ya. Sudah, time's up. Waktunya habis. Yang lain itu. Ya. Please. Yes, to your chair. Yes. Go back to your chair. Time's up. Time's up. Password. Yes, please. Yes, please. Password. Mahkamatun. Mahkamatun, pengadilan. Yes. Okay, thank you. Well, siapa lagi yang laporkan? Okay, please. Yes. Yes, please. Sit down. All right, thank you. Okay, please. Sahabi, Atala. Just there. Oh, your book. All right, thank you very much. Okay, Bilal.
Anda has been to Jakarta. Zahabi has about actors/actress. Sama lagi mau.
All right, thank you very much. Okay, please go back to your position. Kembali ke posisinya ya. Oke, silakan kembali ke posisinya semua. Time's up. Ya, silakan kembali ke tempat duduknya. Silakan kembali ke tempat duduknya. Semua. Adisa, please go back to your position. Please go back to your position. Sit down. Sit down. Okay. Bilal. Okay. Sit down. Sit. Okay. So you have reported ya, sudah dilaporkan teman-temannya who has done some of these activities. Okay, again, all of you have done reporting your friend's activity. Someone, your friend who has been to Bali, eaten meatball, visited Losari Beach, been to Jakarta, dream about actor and actress. So far, do you have a question? Masih ada pertanyaan? So, today we have done ya, kita sudah melaksanakan pelajaran kita terkait dengan present perfect, bagaimana membuat pertanyaan dengan ketika subjeknya I, you, they, maka kita menggunakan have. Ketika he, she, it, kita menggunakan has, ya. Ketika jawabannya yes, yes I have, yes you have, yes they have, yes we have, yes he has, yes she has, yes it has. Yeah. So that we have studied today. Any more question? Okay, if no more question, and I hope all of you, keep practicing, because long life education is important. Pendidikan sepanjang hayat itu really important in our life. We will never know, kita nggak pernah tahu our future until we try it and do work hard. Hingga kita berusaha keras to reach our dream, untuk mencapai mimpi-mimpi kita. Kita nggak pernah tahu. Mr. Former President, the first President of Indonesia, ever said, seperti former President, the first President of Indonesia, Soekarno ever said, pernah mengatakan bahwa, apa pernah bilang? Dream as high as the sky. If you fall among the stars. Bermimpilah setinggi langit. Kalau kalian jatuh, maka kalian akan jatuh di antara bintang-bintang. Maksudnya apa? Bahwa your ambition to reach your dream, mimpian Anda untuk mencapai mimpinya, bermimpi. You dream as high as the sky, bermimpi setinggi langit. So that you can achieve your dream, bisa mencapai mimpi-mimpinya. I think that's all for today. Thank you for your nice participation. Terima kasih atas partisipasinya yang sangat baik. You're enthusiastic, in pair work, dalam diskusi grup, pasangan juga, and also find someone who you really enthusiastic, to find out who they are. I think that's all for today. Once more, thank you very much. Let's close our class by reciting Kafaratul Majlis. Bihamdika asyhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaika. Jazakallahu khairan ya Ustaz Ali.